Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Friday, July 24th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. We have basically a severe earnings miss, shattered investor confidence, big sell-off today, Thursday. I'm talking after the close, clearly settling the week. I think I can anticipate that today, that we will close 367.62 or lower today, setting off what I've been considered to be a 1 to 2 month objective at 303.17. We may actually see that level today. Now there is, you see 315.35 off to the side here. Session containment. This is a simple trend line off the lows from the April of 24. So, it's an over 2-year trend line. Trend lines work better in Tesla than in other markets. But we went back and forth for a while. Should this be intraday, meaning it could contain an early morning low, and then we could rebound perhaps back to 340.98 with the kind of volatility we're in. And 340.98 is this former channel bottom that we gapped below on Thursday. So this is your framework here. 340.98 is your day resistance. I have no problem aggressively selling that because we are anticipating 303.17. I'm going to say a 1 to 2 month target that could be in reach today. So if we do break today, 315.35, then yes, 303.17 is likely. This descending channel bottom is really all the way down to 291.81. Now, what is 291.81? I'm going to walk you through this sort of wave count here. That's A minus B minus C. So full wave, you add this distance to C all the way down, and that's 291.81. And I like it because it is mathematically equivalent to this descending channel bottom, which is a line study. So it is a range, 303.17 down to 291.81, and 299.29. This prominent, I think that's an April high of 23. I forget, but it was a prominent high that lasted for some time. And so you throw that in the mix, and you've got a zone that can contain selling, I'm going to say, through August. And from here, we can spring back. With present volatility, could be within 2 to 3 weeks. You could also take all the way into later August before we could rally back up into the 370s, where a sell opportunity would present through the rest of the year, really. Holding below 371.03, I've been mentioning now for months, if we close below this, we can anticipate within 3 to 5 months, perhaps, 227.27. And yes, indeed, if we close today below 303.17, and I would like to add 291.81 to the mix, I do think closing today below 291.81, and if we have a sell-off today like we had yesterday, we can close below 291.81. That would then set up 227.27. With present volatility, I don't think it's going to hold. So I'm going to call this a 2 to 3 month target, 227.27, if we do indeed close today below 291.81, 303.17 preceding 291.81. This is a solid zone to bottom pick as we move through August. From here, we can stabilize and even round up, possibly by the end of August, back into the low 370s. Once again, closing below 291.81. No good reason to be long Tesla if your time horizon is 1-2 months out. I would see 227.27 as an objective. We've been mentioning this horizontal channel as able to contain annual selling pressures, and it also is just above, in relative terms, a longer-term structure at 185.84. So if you're looking, if things get ugly and Tesla just keeps getting hit and closes below 291.81, keep your powder dry if you are only on the buy side of Tesla, and if your framework is normally long-term, like near to long-term investing, because the 227.27 down to 185.84 area is a zone to bottom pick through all of 27, even through the rest of the decade. We can round up from here, and I would consider it a realistic objective once again if we close below 291.81. So I don't want you to get caught along with a settlement today below 291.81, but until then you can. And in fact, let's talk upside. Holding above 315.35 will keep today this 340.98 formation in reach. Once again, this is our two-sided framework, and all of these minor points have been carefully chosen. closing today above 340.98. However unlikely, indicates a test Monday, Tuesday of next, 356.84. And 356.84, I think you can consider this to be the start of a range of significant resistance up to 371.03. 371.03 is that long-term channel bottom that we are going to close today below, setting off a long-term sell signal potentially into the 220s over the next 3 to 5 months. So once again, let me repeat that if we do close today above 340.98, early next week we push into the mid 350s, the beginning of a range all the way up to the low 370s that can contain buying through August and into the fourth quarter. Because below this area, once again, let me stress, we remain heavy, not only down to 303.17 over the next, well, that could be today, but also by the end of the year or sooner, possibly by the end of September, if we close below 303.17, 291.81 today, 227.27 in reach. So, I want to articulate one more thing, and it's really a repeat. And sometimes things just need to be repeated. If you're a day trader, you can sell 340.98. And if you're looking to buy the market as a day trade, you can buy 315.35. But be careful. We're in a sell signal that can yield 303.17 possibly today. If we break or open today below 315.35 and we close in the 319 handle, so it could quite easily happen where we open today below 315.35. And if so, 303.17 is likely today, where once again, combined with 303.7, there you go. This is really what we're looking at. 303.17 at the beginning of a range of meaningful support down to 291.81 that can contain selling through August. And from here, we can round up into the 370s within 3 to 5 weeks. Closing below 291.81, forget about it. Be short or be out as we move through the month of August. That is all I've got to say. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We put out 2 stock picks this week. Check us out, but 2-week free trial, daily NVIDIA, daily Triple Q, daily SPY analysis. You'll see it all for 2 weeks. I'm going to leave it at that for Friday's Daily Tesla Report. I'll be back Sunday with Mondays, of course. You have a great weekend.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.